This dog snores so loud.
Should I get a suitcase, a tent, or a bandana that goes around my mouth?
Say hi.